2 minus 3 equals minus 1, right? Times 2 plus 1 divided by 1, right? Now minus 1 times 2 equals minus 2 plus 1 divided by 1, right? Now minus 2 plus 1, minus plus minus, right? So minus 1 divided by 1. Now minus 1 divided by 1 equals minus 1. But this is wrong. Why? Multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction, right? So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Multiplication and division from left to right. So now let's solve this correctly. Multiply first, right? So 2 minus 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 1 divided by 1. Now divide first. 2 minus 6 plus 1 divided by 1 equals 1, right? Now addition, subtraction and addition from left to right. So subtract 2 minus 6 equals minus 4 plus 1, right? Now minus plus minus, so minus 4 plus 1 equals minus 3.